Magaya was praying for apples the whole night. All we can say to those who follow Magaya is that we are praying for you. One day the Lord will visit you and this psychosis will go away from you. Those who bought apples from Magaya, we urge you to eat them before they rot. Apples are food at best. There's nothing spiritual about these apples. Magaya counted these apples, multiplied them by $5, and he's going to buy an asset. Tomorrow on Monday, Magaya will be buying another piece of land, and he's going to put it in his family.
Apostle T.F. Chiwenga and Hopewell exposed Prophet Walter Magaya for selling apples to people who attend his church, claiming that the apples are anointed with the Holy Spirit. kusangana kwatikuita zvakare pachannel ino, channel yeZim Witness TV, pandinodzoka nemaupdates akasiyana-siyana, uye ndinoti kana kari kekutanga kusvika pano ndinokumbira kuti ungobaya button rekusubscribe, then turn on the notification bell kuitira kuti usarasikirwe neevery update yandinodzoka nayo pano nguva nenguva. Last Saturday, Prophet Walter Magaya vakaisa evil post on his Facebook vachinamatira ma-apples avaizoda kutengesa kuchurch kwavo the following day, claiming that those apples are anointed. There is the rumor here iti iyo pane matracks anokwana kuita iwo 20 akapinda iwo pa PhD Ministries achi-offloada ma-apples iwayo kuti azotengeserwa vanhu vepachurch sezvo ainzi ari anointed. And zviri kunzi izvo nevaiveko ku PhD Ministries on Sunday, maapple aya akatengeswa ese akapera within few minutes, zvisinei neprice yawo kuti akazokwira kubva pa $5 kuenda pa $10 per apple. Zvakaitwa naProphet Magaya zvakaita kuti Hopewell auye achisa post yaaitaura iye kuti Prophet Magaya is a fake prophet and haana kana O level, but asi ari kutobira vanhu vakatarisa, asi vanhu vacho vachizviti vakadzidza. Hopewell aenderera mberi achitaura iye kuti some years back Prophet Magaya vakabhilivhisa vanhu kuti vari kunorasa zvivi zvavo kuIsrael, yet aiskama vanhu. So Hopewell anyora iye akati, this corresponds with the statistics that say Zimbabwe has never had a pass rate above 33%. It gets worse. This fake prophet does not even have O level, yet he is able to con clowns with university degrees into believing that he can take their sins to Israel and God will forgive and bless them. Today he is giving them what he calls anointed apples. Many Africans have been made fools in the name of religion by conmen like Walter Magaya. What kind of people close factories and turn them into Pentecostal churches, then pray for jobs? Until we wake up from this religious madness, we will keep kneeling before charlatans while our nation crumble around us. God exists, but not in the twisted image preached by those crooked pastors who exploit faith to enrich themselves while poor remain trapped in suffering. Uku ndokunyora kwaitwa iko na Hopewell achitaura iye Magaya. Then Apostle Chiwenga vabva vauyawo with the other angle vachiti Prophet Magaya vanotodawo deliverance. Hapana kana chimweya chiri kuwanika muma-apples avaitengesera vanhu. He is making man for his family, not kuti ndezvemweya. Apostle Chiwenga added kuti Prophet Magaya was initiated by late Prophet T.B. Joshua in the spirit of darkness. Ladies and gentlemen, I want you to watch video ra Apostle Chiwenga vachitaura about Prophet Magaya. But mapedza kuona this video, let's meet in the comment section muchitiudzawo zvamunofunga pamusoro penyaya iyi.
I want you to pray for the people who are following Magaya. Hell has no fury. Today, Magaya was selling apples for $5 each. Instead of praying for the people, Magaya was praying for apples the whole night. I told you so many months ago that Magaya is a psychopath. He has a mental problem. If you look at him on that picture, you can tell that one of his relays blew up a long time ago. All we can say to those who follow Magaya is that we are praying for you. One day the Lord will visit you and this psychosis will go away from you. Those who bought apples from Magaya, we urge you to eat them before they rot. Apples are food at best. There is nothing spiritual about these apples. Magaya counted these apples, multiplied them by $5, and he's going to buy an asset. Tomorrow on Monday, Magaya will be buying another piece of land, and he's going to put it in his family. One day, Magaya's children shall speak before you and say, my father was very organized, he prepared a good future for us. In the meantime, you are going to forget that you gave Magaya money out of your own idiocy and foolishness. Magaya was initiated by T.B. Joshua. And you must understand that there are charms in the West Africa region where these guys get a charm which they are going to spray or sprinkle around their church building. And that charm is such that anyone who attends his church, as long and as soon as you touch the ground, the charm freezes your brain. They get a charm so that you agree with everything they say without applying your brains to it. This is why you see, despite all this nonsense, Magaya continues to fill his auditoriums with the people. The people you see in Magaya's church are victims of Magaya's sorcery. Their minds are no longer thinking straight. Kureva tengeserwa ma-apple na Magaya. Idyai ma-apple aya asati aora. Zvingangowedzera utano hwenyu. Hapana chemweya pama-apple aMagaya. Magaya da kutobatsirwa atsvagirwe chiremba. Magaya can come to me. I can rescue him from the demons persecuting him, which he got from Nigeria. Magaya needs deliverance. He has demons. And I'm offering Magaya, come and I will deliver you. There are so many things that Magaya do because of his rituals in Nigeria. I just spelled a few of them. If anyone talks to Magaya, tell him that Chiwenga can deliver you. Uya kuno tikubatsire. Tikakubatsira madhimoni ari kukushungurudza anokusiya. Uye pfungwa dzako dzinobva dzadzoka. Tikatombatsira Magaya, fesi yake inotozoita serious, inoita sense yemunhu chaiye chaiye. Kureya kwayakaita uku kunopera. So we hope kuti vanhu vachadya ma-apple asati aora. Anoora. Kada kunoti ma-apple aya haana simba raMwari, ingoaisa mukabati woroti haaoreri. Kuora is the simple test of spiritual power. Yeah. Once these apples rot, there's no power in them. You can prove that there's no power. Just put them in the cupboard, visit them after 7 days. They will be black.